All right, hey party people. So, building lock here, of course. And what did I do so far? I then they broke my van, uh, and now I'm waiting for the bus to go back home so I can fix it. I had to, so my cabin lights don't come on. So I was like, all right, let me change the bulb. Yeah, change the bulb, still nothing. So I was like, let's mess with the fuse box. Check the fuse and realize that it's blown, of course. So, okay, you replace that one. I didn't buy the fuse yet, so I was going to go get it. But what else do? I go and take the fuse out from the one that's next to it. I don't know what that one's for, but I was going to look at that one to see if that one's blown too. End up dropping it into the wheel well. You can't get it from out of there if unless you pull the whole thing out. We're not doing that. So, end up dropping it. And then I go to turn on the vehicle, and Coco doesn't start. He's excused ambulance or fire or police. I'm not sure. I don't know. But yeah. So Coco doesn't start. Great. So make a voyage to AutoZone. Got some conduit for the wire so I can finish doing that. I got the fuses. I got one of those magnetic telescoping pole thingies or whatever. Some extra crap that I probably didn't need to buy. Um, and yeah, so I'm waiting for the bus to go back home to finish, to put the new fuses back in. And it's just so simple, the little tiny things that keep your vehicle running. Got me a pumpkin spice latte with almond milk. So good. I'm clearly done. But there's no garbage around here, and I don't throw my garbage on the floor. So, and I'm still trying to upload the most recent video. I'm having some issues with space on my phone, and it keeps saying it's uploaded, but I can't find it. It's nowhere to be found or whatever. So I'm trying to get that up for you guys to see. But as always, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my channel and continue watching my van build. So I'll see you guys soon. I'll hopefully have another video for you guys. I'm trying to finish up the bed, put up the reflectix, finish the wiring, and that's it. The bed mainly. Yeah, the bed mainly. And then later on, also, I have a birthday party to go to. Mask on always. It's my good friend Brittany from work. Uh, it's her 30th birthday. Brittany, if you're watching this, happy birthday. I'll see you later. All right, guys, and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon.